It's time for a little fun!
Mother duck looks left and right. Stay close, my little ducklings.
Look! A butterfly!
She waddles here, she waddles there. Quack, quack, where did you go? Calling softly everywhere. Quack, quack, come back home. She checks the pond, she checks the tree. I'm looking for my duckling. I hear something. Through the grass and over the hill.
Little quacks from all around.
Mommy! Mommy!
Mother duck smiles big and bright. I found you. Stay together, never roam. Always stay close to Mommy. Family love is warm and strong.
We love you, Mommy!
Quack, quack. Bye-bye.